Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to change the theme in a chat in Messenger. It's a great way to personalize your chats and make them more fun and engaging. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Go to a certain chat. Next, go to the chat where you want to change the theme. It can be a group chat or a one-on-one conversation. Once you are in the chat, tap on the name of the person whose theme you want to change. This will bring up a menu with some options. Step 3. Tap on Theme. In the Customization section, you'll see an option that says Theme. Tap on it. Step 4. View different popular themes. Now you can view different popular themes. There are many different themes to choose from, so pick one that best represents your style and personality. Step 5. Tap on the preferred theme. Once you've found the preferred theme, tap on it. The theme will be applied to your chat automatically. That's it. Changing the theme in a chat in Messenger is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Personalize your conversations and have some fun with it. Remember, you can view different popular themes and tap on the preferred one. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.